Okay, so in front of people, how can you introduce yourself? And if you meet with any stranger person, and the person is a stranger, or your relative, sometimes we don't know about our relatives. How will you introduce yourself in front of your relative, or in front of, if you want to make friends and you want to do friendship with them, then how will you introduce yourself? The first thing, the first you have to start from the name, and after that you have to solve the question this, like, where are you from, and then education in detail, job experience. At the end you need to share the family details, like, this is, you can start your name from, like, my name is Sir Saqib, this is Sir Saqib, okay? And you can also say that I'm from Pakistan, Karachi, at Gulshan Iqbal. My education, I have done graduation with the TPAS certificate. I have been teaching English for the 6 years, and I have two brother and two sister. And alhamdulillah, my parents are alive. So this is the introduction. If you meet with any stranger person, write that, are your friend. If you introduce, example, you are from any company, then your introduction will be a little bit different. You don't need to tell, to them that your work experience and about your family background. How can you do that? First, for the self introduction, you have to tell the name and what's your company name, and after that, you need to tell. After that, you have to tell, like, what's your position in the company. It means what you are doing in that company. After that, you have to tell the audience, or you can say your employees and in marketing team about the services which you are providing, and explain that. A grammar topic which I would like to explain over here. It's easy, not that much difficult. Okay, so the be verb, which we also call it the state verb, and it's used for the position, condition, and introduction. So be verb in the present is, am, are. In the past is was and were. In the future is, will be. We call it a verb to be. Is, am, are, was, were, and will be. Go ahead. And what about in the present? First of all, I would like to discuss with you in the present. You know what? The formula of it is subject. What are the subjects? Subject can be noun and pronoun. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. And then the be, and after that object. Like, as I told you that, the be verb and the state verb, these are called a non-action. It means you cannot use the main verb in these type of sentences. Okay, like, I am a jubilant, and I have written, she is a teacher. She's okay, and the contraction, the positive contraction, she apostrophe s, that's called she's. Okay, she is a teacher. Ali is a doctor. It means we are not using the main verb over here. Write that. And what about the negative? And after the is, mr, you will include the not, and you can also use the contraction. Okay, like, we are not a professor is wrong. We are not professors. Okay, we are not professors. And are you in Pakistan? It means this is the interrogative. In Urdu language, if I say, I am jubilant, मैं खुश हूँ. She is a teacher, वो teacher है. Ali is a doctor, Ali doctor है. We are not professors, हम professors नहीं हैं. And what about the interrogative? In the interrogative sentences, the is, am, are will come first. Like, are you in Pakistan? क्या आप पाकिस्तान में हैं? And you can make the interrogative sentence, you can use before the subject the contraction, like is not, isn't, are not, aren't, am not, ain't. Aren't you sad? क्या आप sad नहीं हैं? इस तरह भी बना सकते हैं. Are you not sad? Okay. And what about the WH family? Like, a sentence start from the W and H words, like what, where, how far, how many. And WH word, then is MR, then subject, then object. Like, why are you there? आप वहाँ क्यों हैं? And the WH negative you need to use before the subject, not like, why is not he at home? वो घर पर क्यों नहीं है? Now, I would like to ask a few sentences to you in Urdu language, and you have to translate these sentences into English. Okay? मैं ग्राफिक डिजाइनर हूँ. मैं ग्राफिक डिजाइनर नहीं हूँ. क्या आप ग्राफिक डिजाइनर हैं? आर यू ओके, क्या आप ग्राफिक डिजाइनर नहीं हैं? ओके, आप क्या हैं? What are you? आप क्या हैं? Okay, आप घर पर क्यों नहीं हैं? Mr. Asif.
Why are you not at home?
Okay, why aren't you at home? Okay, मैं खुश हूँ.
I'm happy.
मैं खुश नहीं हूँ. क्या आप खुश हैं?
You are.
Are you? क्या आप खुश नहीं हैं? Mr. Asif.
Aren't you happy?
आप खुश क्यों हैं?
Why are you happy?
आप खुश क्यों नहीं हैं?
Why aren't you happy?
Very good. Go ahead, please. And what about the past? You know, that's in the past we have the be verb that's called was, were, and the same formula. We are not using any sort of verb over here. Subjectless was, were, and then object. Like I was exhilarated. मैं बहुत खुश था. Exhilarated means बहुत खुश. They were not good students. वो अच्छे students नहीं थे. And in interrogative, that here in the past the was, were will come first. Like were you in Canada? क्या आप कनाडा में थे? Was he not in class? क्या वो क्लास में नहीं था? Where were you in Pakistan? आप पाकिस्तान में कहाँ थे? And the WH negative is this, we used before the subject not. You can use also the contraction, negative contraction, was not, wasn't, and were not, weren't. Why wasn't you here? आप यहाँ क्यों नहीं थे? Now, मैं UK में थी. कैसे बोलेंगे? मैं UK में नहीं था. क्या आप यूके में थे? Were you in? क्या आप यूके में नहीं थे? Were you? Okay, आप यूके में क्यों थे? Okay, आप पाकिस्तान में क्यों नहीं थे? Why weren't you in Pakistan? That's it. Now go ahead, please. In the future, this will be, and it's very easy. I'm telling you, this is the first class, and don't think like that. The sir is teaching the very basic things. I can teach to you, the advanced things, but this is the basic class. You need to know about it, okay? So future will be in the formula subject plus will be the direct object, okay? Like I will be a doctor. मैं doctor होऊंगा, and I will not be a doctor. Here you can use the negative contraction. Will not be, want to be, okay? So, I will not be a doctor. मैं डॉक्टर नहीं होऊंगा. Will you be a professor? क्या आप प्रोफेसर होंगे? Will you not be a professor? क्या आप प्रोफेसर नहीं होंगे? How will you be a successful businessman? आप एक successful businessman कैसे होंगे? And why won't you be in Pakistan? आप पाकिस्तान में क्यों नहीं होंगे? Now, the sentence which I want to ask from you, मैं businessman होऊंगा.
I will be a businessman.
मैं businessman नहीं होऊंगा.
I will not be a businessman.
क्या बिजनेसमैन होंगे?
Will you be a businessman?
ओके, क्या आप बिजनेसमैन नहीं होंगे?
Won't you be a businessman?
आप क्या होंगे? What will you be? आप पाकिस्तान में क्यों नहीं होंगे?
Why will you not be in Pakistan?
Why won't you be in Pakistan? मैं खुश नहीं होऊंगा.
I'm not.
Be happy. Very good. Now that's it. That's it for the be verb, and it's easy.